What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, the Hussle Family, and turn motivation into millions. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up, alright? So it's a lot of people out there talking to fake King Hussle pages on Telegram, Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, all those places right there, alright? All my links are in the bio. All my links are all over the place. So there's no reason for you guys to be getting scammed, all right? And before you send your money, just get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you're talking to this person right here. You send your money to the right person, and you're getting the right thing that you're paying for, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So today we're going to be talking about how you can get $10,000 in bad credit loans. And a lot of people fail to realize when I drop these gems, like, you can't skip what I'm telling you to do and try to apply for these loans and then get mad when you don't get approved for these loans. Y'all gotta slow down. Y'all gotta really take the time to do y'all research and really figure out what's going on before y'all just jump off the ship and try to apply for these loans and don't get approved and then be mad. You gotta follow instructions. Why y'all think every time you buy anything from the store, in the box comes instructions? Because without those instructions, you will not be able to succeed in putting together whatever you're trying to put together or do what you're trying to do, all right? So please, 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 when I'm giving you guys these instructions on what to do, please take them in consideration. Please do them before you try to apply for these loans, and you will have a better success rate of getting approved. A lot of people go to these lenders, these loan places, and they apply and they get sent to different lenders, and then people like, oh, that's not real, they're going to send you to different lenders. That's what they're supposed to do. They're supposed to connect you with all the lenders. After you put in your information, they're going to connect you with all the lenders that will do business with your profile, with your information that you put in. Everybody's situation is different. Everybody has something different going on. So you gotta pay attention, follow instructions so you can succeed in anything that you do in life, all right? So today we're going to be talking about how the consumer, can get a $10,000 loan with bad credit, 400s, 500s, you're accepted. Then all you got to do is follow the instructions that I give you in order for your credit profile to look good enough to look, so when they go check and they look and see, okay, can we loan this person some money? Do they have the capability of paying us this money back? It'll look good enough and you'll get approved, all right? So today I'm going to be dropping them gems. Today I'm going to be telling you what to do, just like any other video, because every video is a new viewer. Every video is somebody new trying to figure out how to get ahead in life. So that's what I do. So first thing you want to do, like I tell you in every other video, get your credit profile. See what's going on. Get your 3 credit scores. Your Experian, your Equifax, and your TransUnion. All right, you got 3 credit scores. You can literally go on Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. They all have websites, and see what your credit score is. You can go on Experian and see all 3 of them. You can really go on one and check all 3 when you pay for it. Got to pay for it, all right? So once you get your credit profile, once you see what's all on your credit profile, the collections and inquiries, what you're going to do is you're going to say, okay, first of all, any collection, any account that's on your credit profile that's 7 years or older, you have the ability to dispute it and get it off your account. So what you're going to do is you're going to freeze it. You're going to freeze all your credit profiles from Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. You're going to freeze all 3 of them. Boom. Once you freeze all 3 of them, then you're going to go back and you're going to dispute all those collections that you have on your account. So once you dispute all those collections off your account, and those bureaus go to check and see if these accounts are accurate and they can't get into your account, they now have no choice but to delete it off your credit profile. Now listen, by that account being 7 years old, it will be taken off some ageness off your credit profile. That's why it's 2 different. You can either pay it off or you can delete it off. 2 different ways. They delete it off, is going to underage your account. If you pay it off, it's going to keep your account aged. All right, so boom. So, but a lot of people just delete everything off so they can start over and get new trade lines and things on their credit report, right? So now you got all these collections dropping off after about 2 weeks. Boom, you getting a couple points on your credit score, a little credit boost. Okay, boom. Now those inquiries that you have on your credit report, they literally give you the number and the credit bureau who is reporting this inquiry. Call them, do what you gotta do, get it off your credit report. Boom. So now that you just cleaned up your credit report, like I told everybody out there, if you are a tax-paying citizen, if you somebody who pays their bills on time and you're struggling, you are in the position to get a credit boost. You deserve to have an extra credit boost on your credit profile. You deserve to have a better credit score. Why are you paying all these bills and it's not reflecting on your credit report? So you're going to literally, from now on, have all your bills reflected on your credit profile so you can add those as installment loans so you can start getting another credit boost. Oh yeah, and another thing, anybody that needed a quick credit boost on their credit report, go update all the information on your credit report, from addresses, names, numbers, all that good stuff like that. All right, so boom, back to it. So boom, you are literally going to do all those steps, right? Do all those steps. Once you do those steps, you got to add the trade lines. You got to add the good debt to your credit profile. So you're going to add those trade lines. Like I said, you're going to add the bills. You got the electricity bill, your energy bill, your rent, all those good things like that. Like I told you, you got Incredible, Ava, Credit Strong, Credit Rent Boost. I gave you guys a lot of sites to add your utility bills, rent, and all that to your credit profile to start getting a credit boost and then make it make sense, right? So you can start showing on your credit profile every month you're making these payments on time and it's reflecting on your credit report. So boom, now you're getting those credit boosts. Now you just added at least $60,000 on your credit report. Now you got a good credit debt of $60,000, $65,000, $70,000 on your credit report that's reflecting as exceptional payment because every month you're making your payments on time. And now they see that. And you got your bank account, a personal and checking account. You've been making either got your job linked to it to getting direct deposits, or you've been making deposits every 2 weeks, every month, so they can see that too. You got your bank statements, and I'm gonna show you guys in the next video where to get all these statements and stuff like that. So if you're self-employed, and they need to see these type of things. So once you go apply and you already have all these documents, you already got everything that you need, you will have a better chance of getting approved for these loans. So you got $60,000 being reported on your credit profile in good debt. Now you need to go to this website right here, Bad Credit Loans, and apply for the $10,000 loan. Yes, Bad Credit Loans, $10,000 loan, 400, 500 credit score is welcome. Let's get into it. So we're going to be talking about bad credit loans, all right? Get started with our online form. Request up to $10,000. How much would you like to borrow, all right? And it just drops all the information that you need. See if you qualify for a loan between $500 and $10,000. Now, if you did what I told you to do in the beginning of the video, you will qualify for the $10,000 loan. So basically, there is no cost or obligation to use our service. To help keep our service free, we may show you offers for credit-related services like debt relief, credit repair, and credit monitoring. Access our extended lender network. If you can't find a lender in our own network of lenders, we will show you our loan inquiry to our extended network of third-party non-lender lender networks to help you find a lender in one of your networks, their networks. We are not a lender and do not endorse or control any of the lenders or other providers in our network or our extended network, which means they are not the lender. Once you put your information into this website, they will calculate your information, they will look at your information, and they will direct you to the lenders who fit best for your profile. So when you fill out the information up here and things, and they start directing you different lenders, that's how this goes, all right? We protect your information with advanced encryption technology. We are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Complete our simple online form and see if you are connected with a lender. Compare our options and complete our loan process. Review other non-loan offers to see if any make sense for you. And then we are here to help you. Security, our time, your terms. Today is the day of the services. So they just basically break down the wants and the needs. APR, representative range, explanation. Just the APR, bad credit loans isn't a lender and does not provide unsecured loans, but it shows your loan request information to the lenders and lending partners in our network so they can choose whether to offer you a loan. All right, so all those people who you get directed to and they offer you a loan, they're accepting your bad credit. Those are the people you want to deal with. Y'all don't know nothing about loans, and then y'all be complaining about the people who are offering you the loans, which is weird. People be really complaining, like, they sent me to 56 places that said approved. What? Okay, so pick which one you want to deal with. Borrow $2,000 for 12 months with a 19.9 APR and a monthly repayment of $183.63. Your total repayment will be $2,203.53. All right, so you're gonna be paying $203 more, basically. So tap in with bad credit loans. All right, let's talk about it. So let's talk about it. Bad credit loans. Listen, like I tell y'all before in all these videos, please stop being so thirsty and just trying to apply for these loans and think they finna give y'all these loans. I don't know how many times I'm gonna have to tell y'all. You have to have your business in order to apply for these loans. And if you apply for these loans and they approve you, they send you to different lenders and saying you're approved, pick which one you want to get. Common sense. A lot of people, common sense is lacking a lot of common sense, which is not okay. Please, please, please stop thinking any of these people are just going to give anybody and everybody loans. No, they're giving people loans who have their business together. They're giving people loans who have their credit profile together, point blank, period. So if you ain't got either one together, don't even bother trying to apply for the loans. Don't even bother trying to get mad when you don't get approved for the loan, all right? Because like I said, having your business together will get you very, very far in life. You think life is a game, you think this is a game, you think loans and credit cards and credit is a game, this is not for you. But if you're somebody who wants to succeed in life, you are somebody who wants to become a multimillionaire, you somebody that's striving for financial freedom, you somebody that's trying to take your family and your people to the next level, to the top of the pyramid, then this is for you. Knowledge is power. That's why I'm teaching and dropping these videos with this type of information so you can be aware of what's going on and you can start getting approved for these loans, because like I said, the rich get richer by borrowing money from the banks. The poor get poorer by saving money and spending it on one thing, and they happen to save the money all over again because they don't, and them saving that money up might not have that same opportunity the next time. So please understand, we getting our credit together, we getting our business together, we getting our LLCs, S corps, non-profit organizations together. We getting all this stuff together so we all can become financial free, make money, multimillionaires, even billionaires, and become successful and do the things that we need. All right. The goal is to become your own boss. The goal is to become an entrepreneur. The goal is to pay yourself $1 million a year, because like I said, you find you 10 hustles that make you $10,000 each a month, which is $100,000 a month. For a whole year, that's $1.2 million. And yes, I can literally show you how to do that. I got a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can do that because I'm doing it myself. So tap in. All right, so shout out to all my Real King Hustle fans. Shout out to all my Real King Hustle supporters, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping sauce. And y'all motivate me to keep y'all entertained. That's what I'm going to continue to do, all right? Anybody out there looking to make $3,000 a day, $90,000 a month off YouTube and passive income, you want me to show you the tricks of the trade, you want me to show you the ballpark, how to do things, tap in with me, $500. I'm going to teach you how to do it, and we're going to make money together, all right? Easy as that. There's nothing else you can say. And then anything after that, you can do on your own. Boom. Come get y'all lessons. Basic lessons $500, advanced lessons is $1,000, and unlimited gems, FaceTime one-on-ones is $2,000. Book your seat right now in person in the crypto tour. Unlimited gems lessons, $3,500 in state, $4,500 if I got to come out of state to you. All right, $500 deposit. The rest of the money will be in person. I'm still looking for people for the production company, rappers, actors, models, content creators, producers, cameraman. All right, so anybody out there looking to tap in with Hustle Nation, tap in with me. You got any music reviews, it's $200. You're not willing to invest $200 in yourself. Why should I invest $200,000 into you? Take that in consideration, and remember that before you send me your music. models, you looking to make music, looking to get into music videos, you looking at podcasts, you looking to get your brand out there, you looking at YouTube, you looking to just do acting, all that good stuff like that. You try to twerk it for free, you try to look pretty for free, tap in with me. I'm put you all the positions to win. Content creators, you got a YouTube channel, you got at least 500 subscribers or more, and you got at least 2,000 watch time hours or more. Tap in with me. I'm gonna show you how to get monetized. I'm gonna help you get monetized. We're gonna make money together, we're gonna win together, and we're gonna all go elevate together. It's your boy King Hussle. I see you at the next video. Peace.